Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science focused on creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, learning from experience, and making decisions. AI systems analyze large amounts of data, identify patterns, and use algorithms to improve their performance over time. A major area within AI is machine learning, where systems learn from examples rather than being manually programmed. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks inspired by the human brain to handle complex tasks such as speech recognition and image classification. Most AI today is narrow AI, designed to perform specific tasks like recommending movies or navigating maps. The concept of general AI, which would think and learn like a human, remains theoretical. AI is increasingly used in healthcare, transportation, finance, education, and everyday technologies, transforming how people live and work. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.